Trigger warning. This video contains gore and extreme levels of silliness. Viewer discretion is advised.
Spooky Leatherface. Oh my body
Why is he called the Butcher?
Leatherface is called the Butcher. It takes 5 minutes sometimes to find a match.
What? Never heard of her.
Oh my god, guys. Guys, you need to be soaked. This is a big deal.
Oh my god!
Oh my god, Leatherface. Oh my god, we're both evil.
No
evil mans.
way.
We're both evil mans. Okay.
I wanna be an evil man.
You are an evil man. You're the hitchhiker. He's evil. We get to see Leatherface's perspective.
Alright.
Alright.
Oh yeah.
Uvalde was last seen near the town of Newt. Her vehicle was recently discovered abandoned, with officials reporting no signs.
Dude, I'm actually kind of excited.
Authorities are hopeful
Gotta eat my sub from Wawa.
will unearth new leads.
Dude, I got a whole deluxe McCrispy from McDonald's just sitting in the fridge. Family member, feed Grandpa blood. Feeding him increases his level and ability to detect victims. Alright, Grandpa. It's time for your blood. It's your nightly blood. He's thinking.
blood today.
Guess what? You gotta get your blood, alright?
Okay, guys, channel theory. What if the old man in this game is old man, like Trick Shot McGee?
Oh my. Yo! I gotta.
What in the armadillo is that?
Secure the property, feed Grandpa. Yo! He's getting forcefully fed that blood.
Dude, this might be.
Yo! It's Dead by Daylight.
No, I feel like Dead by Daylight's a ripoff of Texas Chainsaw Massacre.
I can't believe the Dead by Daylight. Yo!
Can we put this in the video? Angry
Yo,
noises.
I'm a hitchhiker.
Okay, wait, okay, guys. For the record,
So I have a
this is our first game we played. Well, for me, I don't know if Christian.
Oh, so I could sprint. Where are you? Ooh, there's a basement. I'm just exploring. Oh, I made noise.
What do I do?
Wake up, Grandpa first. Grandpa!
This game. Okay, I'm spooked, and I'm the family
I'm
guy.
confused. I don't even know. Grandpa. Empty.
What? It said start my chainsaw to destroy, but it didn't get destroyed.
I'm just looking for Grandpa. He needs to get his blood. Oh, fucking empty. Someone collected my dang blood. I don't like that. I'm gonna hit you. Somebody hit. You better take a hike, buddy. I'm in the house. I'm trying to wake up Grandpa. I just don't know where he is.
I found a survivor. I'm gonna get him.
Oh, wait. Oh, that's another player. Oh, never mind. Okay, that's another family member. Yo, what's that? Why is that noise playing? Are you down there?
Dude, I'm chasing this guy. I just destroyed a door.
He's about to get cornered. Wake up, Grandpa first. Hey, where's Grandpa?
Wake up, Grandpa.
Grandpa, where are you? There's Grandpa. Grandpa, wake up. Drink that blood. Drink that blood.
I found somebody.
Crying blood. I just gave you blood. Oh no, so they can hide there. Family, I just attacked a member of the familia. Oh! Yes! They woke up Grandpa! You know what that means? I can go in the basement. Oh wait, is that a victim? Oh, it's a woman! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh, I killed her! I think I'm gonna kill her. Oh yeah, get her! Yeah! Oh! Yeah, she's dead. She's dead. Got her.
Wait.
I gotta feed Grandpa his blood.
I'm out.
Oh, Grandpa! Dude, there's blood all over me. Oh, you're putting some.
Dude, Leatherface, he looks so good in this game.
Wait, I found a victim. I'm in the basement. This kid's running.
Basement.
Oh, me and Sky are teaming up on 2 kids. Can't wait. I can't go in there. Why can't I go in there? That's stupid. I'm gonna kill this kid then.
Here's the story of a handsome son. Oh, I see you!
What? We did it. He's black. It's cause he's black. I'm killing him. Haha, you little, you person. Grandpa's hungry again.
Oh, go feed Grandpa.
Feed.
Dude, I like puppy guard the exit.
Happy. Grandpa.
Where's the exit at?
I don't know. The red room. And Bay Rabbit. I hit Grandpa. Where'd they go?
Right here.
Where'd they go?
Right, but they're going up the stairs, up the stairs, up the stairs. Follow me, follow me. Where they at? Where they? Oh, I see him, I see him, I see him. Okay, guard him. Go, corner him, corner him. No, you let him get away.
They're not getting away.
Grandpa is gonna be really proud of us. They're in here.
Oh.
Where do they go?
What?
Oh, I got him.
Somebody got hurt. Dude, where'd she go?
This way, this way.
Oh, no, it's a dead end. This is not a dead end.
I can't. Where'd they go?
Went through there. Requires Leatherface.
I got it.
Like this. Get her!
Here's a story of a handsome Star-Lord, like the greatest to ever walk the earth by far.
Come on. No, you're just howling.
Grandpa, oh, it's a full moon. His alpha's coming out.
Oh, he's a werewolf.
What? How alpha of Grandpa? Wait, no.
Oh, Grandpa's in danger.
Grandpa, yes, they're my
Grandpa!
grandpa. They're my grandpa. I saw him.
This is an exit. Grandpa! No! Oh, Grandpa, turn into a werewolf and get him! be your alpha male!
He is the alpha male.
You become Sigma Ohio!
What is with all the Sigma these days? Bro, this is gonna be awful to edit.
Wait, is that the victim? It's the victim! Get your butt over here, boy! I knew you would be over here! What? No! What? Dude, she jumped down here! She's being a pain in the booty cheeks.
Hey, I like booty cheek.
Bro, I've killed almost everyone. If I can just kill her, there might be an achievement for killing everyone. Wait. I just saw a yellow outline. It was down here.
Wait.
Somebody's hungry. I mean, thirsty because he's drinking blood. Oh, hey guys. Is this like a nice little family reunion? Family reunion.
I'm gonna kill Grandpa.
No, don't kill Grandpa. Don't kill Grandpa. Nah.
Grandpa's, we tried to kill him, but his power just increased.
Oh no, you made him angry. Victim snared? Wait. Oh yeah, because I put a trap down there. Shit. Oh, she's right here. What's goody, gang?
Oh, I my chainsaw.
No. She's gonna go down. What? Oh, she died. Wait, we won. We killed everyone. Yes!
Dude, Leatherface's victory screen. Wait, are you seeing Leatherface right now?
Yeah, I'm seeing Leatherface.
Dude, it's like the old movie. The nostalgia is hitting me like a ton of bricks.
And I'm bad like the Barbie.
I'm Leatherface again.
What the flip? I don't want to be Mr. Hitchhiker again.
No, you're good as him. We gotta win, buddy.
What the flip? Wait, character swap? It's a request. You got please let me be Leatherface. No!
Is finally in custody.
Cattle abuse, never heard of her.
Please put this in the video.
Don't worry,
No,
I will.
and then add me saying that, and then put the little thumbs up emoji guy.
I'm just kidding.
and then add me saying this again, and then put another thumbs up emoji.
I'm just kidding.
Guy. and then add me saying that, and then add one more stock photo. Thumbs up down.
I'm just kidding.
Another face.
I love 2-year-olds.
Did you hear my Leatherface impression? You ready? You wanna hear it again?
I'm ready. Bro has beef with the short bust.
Oh my. For the intro, put like a scary song, but then like right after it's done, put the Super Mario 3D Land for
Yo! There's a corpse right
and then
hanging,
then
right?
put me saying this in the video, and then put the thumbs up emoji guy over it.
I'm just kidding.
There's fall damage.
Buddy thinks we're
Don't
playing
ask how I
Fortnite.
figured that out. I'm just saying there's fall damage.
Buddy thinks we're playing a Fortnite.
Wait, what is Blood doing?
Oh my god! Dude, Leatherface's kill animation? Holy crap.
Grandpa's away!
I found a victim.
Did you now?
Bubba lubba toot toot, if you know what I'm saying.
What? No, she escaped! And she's singing! Love, look at your love. Oh, Grandpa's fat ass is hungry again. God, Grandpa, how many Big Macs you gotta eat in a day?
Hey,
You've already eaten $100 worth of Big Macs already.
let Grandpa eat what he wants to eat.
In one meal!
Oh.
Okay.
No, he does what? What? Excuse me? What am I looking at? What am I looking at here?
Let's see what we're... Wait, okay, is one of the killers a girl?
Maybe.
Oh!
Are they? I'm checking.
So, maybe, so maybe I was chasing one of the killers.
Oh my.
Blood is admiring.
Grandpa! I killed Grandpa!
Oh.
Well, Leatherface running is probably the funniest thing I've seen today. Gotta go fast.
Travel in groups in case you find someone.
That's
No, don't
no
travel in groups
good.
because you won't find people. I'm gonna go in the basement.
I'm coming with you.
This is not the basement. I already shook a full circle. You did too.
You tricked me.
Bogo's
minted?
Puts Bogo's Vinted over Bogo's Vinted. Every time someone says Bogo's Vinted, it's just gonna play Bogo's Vinted.
Bogo's minted? Oh my god,
Nobody
dude. You know what you should
escapes
do?
me.
You should put
What?
the emoji guy giving a thumbs up over what I just said.
Oh!
I'm just kidding.
I found a woman! Not that that's rare for me or anything, I just found a woman.
What?
Oh.
I just got electrocuted, excuse me?
Sounds like a skill issue.
He's so angry! I just got electrocuted again. Christian,
I hate women.
put Leatherface getting electrocuted in the video. And also, Put
Can I
the-
find that?
put the emoji with the thumbs up after what I just said.
I'm just kidding.
Also like this.
I'm just kidding.
Wait, there's another victim. Wait, they're over there, they're over there! Grandpa, thank you for Oh. What the how are we supposed to get them? Go outside! Oh,
That's my Leatherface impression. Want to hear my chainsaw impression?
no.
My chainsaw impression.
Is that so?
Yeah.
Hey, has anyone fed Grandpa? Oh. Huh. Is that the boobie showing? No, that's the neck.
Dang
Huh.
it. I mean, from your perspective, right?
Eat him! Eat him!
Eat him? Eat him?
Eat him! Get him! I think the stairs are somewhere over here.
Oh.
Update, there are no stairs back here. I mean,
Thanks
the
for the
shows I go
update.
down.
Thanks for the update.
You're welcome. Nobody's escaping this familia. No one's getting out of this familia. No one! Hey, why's that chainsaw? Ah! Okay.
It was a
That's
little
not that
funny.
funny. Bro, oh my, he's all the way over there!
They need flashlights.
Ow! Wait, what's going on over there?
But I can still.
Oh,
make
he's on a hook.
I can
He's
still
on a
make.
hook.
I can still make the thumbnail, right?
Yeah, you can still, I don't make the thumbnails.
That's all me. That's all me. That's all I used to be too.
Bro, he's on a hook now, and all of his friends are dead. Oh, yeah, all of his friends are dead. He's gonna bled out. Now we can just celebrate.
You better put some party music over there. put yellow emoji with thumbs up.
She sees a train. What will it take?
Oh wait, do the shocked one. Do the shocked emoji.
I'm just kidding.
The Ninja Turtles. Dude, the nostalgia is hitting me like a ton of bricks.
Dude, I love 2-year-old.
Little Chinese lesson for you.